As you know that Chhath Puja is coming and this puja is incomplete without the blessings of Goddess Ganga. So today I bring you with a very beautiful painting of Goddess Ganga on MDF board. Actually I have not brought this MDF board from anywhere or any shop. Actually I got this while the cleaning of her house during Diwali. Sorry, not during Diwali, before Diwali. This MDF board is not in good condition as this is more than 10 years old. So painting on this board is not very easy. It's very difficult. But you know that I like to take challenges, so let's start this video. I have used acrylic paints for this painting, but if you don't have acrylic paints, you can also go with poster or fabric paints. You know that I have told you before that this MDF board is not in good condition, so I have to apply layers of colors before after drying. So now I'm using this lemon yellow, again lemon yellow, and I will apply another coat of this when it will dry. So follow the same steps as shown in the video. For painting the face, first I used burnt sienna and then I will use flesh tint, and at last I will use white for blending. So this is now flesh tint. But trust me, this board is so much in bad condition that face ho hi nahi paya. And I have hidden the face, so don't worry for this. I will show you another video about this. You will see yourself कितना खराब ये MDF board हो चुका था, and that's why face सही से हो ही नहीं पाया, because face needs some attraction and some good things, right? I have told you before also that this MDF board is 10 years old, more than 10 years old, and that's why the condition is not good. But nonetheless, I have used it, reused it. But if you'll buy a new one, then you can do the face as well. Okay. And in case you recreate this painting, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle. The link of my Instagram ID is given in the description box. So please go and check. Now use a clean brush, dry brush for blending everything. So this was a normal dry brush, but you can see that the condition of MDF board is not looking good. Only the face, but each body part will look very good. You will see in the later part of this video. Actually, I have also used flash tint color, but MDF board itna kharab है that flash tint color is not visible. It's looking like white color, but actually it's not white. It's flash tint. Okay. The link of my Instagram ID is given in the description box, so please go and check. And I will also apply the decoration and some paintings regarding Chhath Puja. So stay tuned for the updates. Now it's turn for hands and legs. So I have used burnt sienna color for the darkest tone. I will use flesh tint for the middle tone and white for the light tone. Okay, so I am just skipping this video, this step. You can see how I'm doing. Okay, you can see how I've done. And I have told you that you will have to apply layers, as is MDF board. Paper usually absorbs it, but MDF board will not. That's why. And I will paint her sari with white color, and for shading part I have used black with a lot of water. You can see very less color but a huge amount of water, you can see. Okay, so follow the same steps as shown in the video. Now for her sari I will use white acrylics. You can also use blue, light blue paint for her sari. Now I'm just only doing the base layer. You can see I'm just putting the colors onto the MDF board. I'm not doing any shading now, I'm not doing any detailing now. I'm just applying the base color now. So follow the same steps. After this I will apply another coat of this, and then I will do the shading part. As I've told you, this is not paper. Paper usually absorbs the color, but this is not paper, so it will not absorb the color. You can see how I'm doing. I will apply. I'm applying the second coat. You can see now. You can see I'm applying the second coat. Now I'm making the folds. You can see the folds are coming. Use very less water for this. Use more color and less water, very less water for this. You can see how beautiful this is looking. It will look more good after some time. Okay, again the same step. I'm using very less water, using white color with very less water, and I'm applying white as a base layer, and then I will apply another coat, and at last I will do the shading part, that is I will make the folds with the brush only. You can see how I'm doing. And if you have any query, you can always comment down in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply your comments. If you have any query regarding this video or any other video, or if you have any demand, then you can comment down in the comment section. I will surely reply your queries or any comment. So now I'm applying burada, and if you don't have burada, this step is completely optional. If you don't have, just skip this step, and if you have but you don't need like this, then you can skip this step. Okay, you can also use 3D outliner for this. It will enhance your painting. So by this we have completed the drawing of goddess Ganga. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, then give this video a thumbs up.